Greetings! This tutorial is designed to assist you as you go through the registration process in selecting courses for the 2014 and 15 school year. The first thing that you want to do is get online and open a web browser. Once you have your web browser up, type in reespuffer.org. Once you have our website on your screen, you'll notice the gray bar right above Reese Puffer Schools. It lists a link for Home, Calendar, Directory, Parent Portal, Internet Meal Manager, and Jobs. We're going to focus on the Parent Portal, so left click on Parent Portal. Once you select Parent Portal, your screen will now show you have access to the actual Parent Portal, and you can click on that link by left clicking on it. Parents and students know that the username is the student's ID number at Reese Puffer High School, and their password is their 6-digit birthday. In this case, I have a test student that's actually fictional that I'm going to work through so you can see exactly what needs to be done. Now I'm going to sign in. Once I'm signed in, what you'll notice now on your screen, it'll pop up, it'll give some information about your student. And you'll notice on the left margin there's a menu from grades and attendance, grade history, attendance history, teacher comments, school bulletin, class registration, calendars, and so on. We're going to focus on class registration, so left click on class registration. Once you click on class registration, now you have opportunities to take a look at the different course selections that students have to choose for the 2014-15 school year. You'll notice that students have up till April 3rd to make their final selections. You'll want to make sure that not only are they talking to counselors, but parents have had some conversation along those lines of what will be chosen as courses. For this student example, it's an incoming 9th grader, and you'll notice that it mentions electives, social studies, English, math, science. Freshmen are required to take 4 courses in the core. They'll get 2 electives. And in this case, you can notice that it has in social studies World History A, World History B, which is a first and a second semester. This is a full year course. All freshmen must take World History, so this is automatically defaulted to World History. What we're going to do now is actually select an English course, and you'll see how this is done. You'll want to drag over to the far right, and there's a pencil icon, and once you hover your mouse over that pencil, go ahead and left click on that pencil. You'll notice in this case, freshmen have 2 different courses, English 9 and Honors English 9, to choose from. When a student were to choose, in this example, I'm going to choose English 9. I have already selected English 9A. I must select English 9B, so I have a full year course. You'll notice that now it tells me that I've checked a full year. I need to make sure that I'm checking the same course, English 9A, then English 9B. Once I have those, I can click on OK, and you'll see that course now is listed as one of my requests. Now when I go to math, freshmen have more opportunities to take different courses in math. For this example, you'll see there's Algebra 2, Semester 1, Semester 2. There's Algebra A, Algebra B, Geometry A and B. For this case, I'm going to select Algebra A as my example. Now what I need to do now is again select the corresponding Algebra B, so I have a first semester and a second semester of algebra. I will now click on OK. You can see now I have 3 courses. In my science category, over to the pencil again, left clicking, you can see the different options that I have as a freshman coming in of courses in the area of science. For this example, I'm going to select Biology A, and again Biology B. It now gives me a full year. I am going to click on OK. So now I have 4 of my 6 courses selected. When I go to the electives, there's numerous electives available to students, and they're all located in our curriculum guide. For this case, you can see that there's different courses, and some are only a semester long. Some are A and B that show that they're a year long. For this case, I am going to take a look and see what might other electives be. I'm going to choose, for this case, I want to take CAD. And so if I select CAD 100A, I need to select CAD 100B. This represents a full course. So I select OK. I now have 5 out of 6 courses. I'm again going to go to the selection, and now what I'm going to do is look for another course that I can potentially sign up for. Freshmen, it's a requirement to take health, so I'm going to take health, and you'll notice that this is only a semester. So as I choose that course, I need now to find another back end side. So what I'm going to do with my health education that seems to pair well is I'm going to choose first aid. And if I click on first aid, I have a semester and another semester making a full course. So now what I've done is I have clicked OK. I have 6 courses now, required 6 hours to take, and I've requested those. I now can review this. I can also make changes by talking to my counselor, and I have up until April 3rd to make these course changes. After April 3rd, it's locked in, and the courses that I have selected will be on my schedule in the fall. Once I have selected all 6 courses, what I'll want to do is click on Submit. And once I click on Submit, those courses now will show up on a schedule. If you're at home and you have a printer, you can go ahead and print your schedule as it shows right now. And again, April 3rd, if you wanted to make a change, you'll want to make sure that you talk with your counselor, talk with your parents before if you want to make any changes. This is how you go about going through the registration process. Really hope this has helped you. Learn more. If there's any questions, our counseling staff certainly would be willing to help you and take you through this. Thanks for listening.